Hi, welcome to Mouton. Let's go inside and take a tour. This is our laundry room here at Mouton. Every floor has a laundry room and all of the washers and dryers are completely free. Now we're gonna look at a typical room that we offer here at Mouton. So each room comes with 2 beds, 2 dressers, 2 closets, 2 desks, and 2 chairs. We also offer cork boards that you can pin up whatever you'd like. Each wing has stalled bathrooms, installed showers, and the setup is the exact same on each side. One of my favorite parts about Mouton has to be the lounges. Each floor does have a lounge. This is a great spot for students to come hang out, watch TV, maybe do some homework, and just hang out with some friends. Another great thing about Mouton is that it is centrally located here on campus. Right outside the doors, you have the GUC, Louis, and the Simon Center. Thanks for checking out Mouton with me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your tour.